So in this next video, you're going to learn how to convert Revit files into Navisworks. So first, let's open our sample Revit file. Models, ACMV, design model, and open a file which says tutorial sample complete. So once the file is loaded, the first thing you're going to do is you're going to go to our overall 3D view. Make sure that the section box is off. And then for our conversion, we're going to make sure that we only convert the ACMV part of the models to Navisworks, not the architectural. So I'm going to press ML to enter the manage links. Click on Arch Model, and instead of removing the file, I'm just going to unload it. Click OK. OK. So that we are now ready to convert the file to Navisworks. So there are two ways to convert a Revit file to Navisworks. One is by using the Navisworks exporter, which will export it directly to an NWC file format. The second option is to convert it to a DWFX, which we can then pull into Navisworks as well. So we're going to do the first way first, which is by using the Navisworks exporter. So click on Add-ins, under External Tools, Navisworks 2016, and let's browse to our tutorial files, BIM project folder, models, ACMV design model, under Navisworks, and we can see that there's already a file, a sample NWC file inside here. We're just gonna name it the same and override it. And if you need to change some Navisworks settings, you can do it down here in the settings, but we're not going to go through it for this tutorial. So press save. You want to replace it? Yes. So with that, we have completed the first method of how we can convert a Revit file to Navisworks. So the second one is by converting it to DWFX. So click on the Revit logo. So sometimes this takes a while to load, so just let it load. So once it is loaded, click on export and click on DWF/DWFX, and you'll be prompted with this option here. Make sure that you're exporting your current view, which is your overall 3D view. And the next thing you need to do is go to DWF properties, under print setup. Make sure that the colors is set to color so that your model will appear in color in Navisworks. Press OK, and everything else should be fine, and just click on next. So again, let's browse to that same folder. And again, also there's another sample file, so let's just overwrite that. So with that, we have converted our files to Navisworks. So now open Navisworks, and we're going to see the difference between the two methods of converting it to Navisworks, and see how it looks differently. So browse to that folder. So the first one I'm going to pull in is the NWC file. So I'm just going to pull it in, and we can see that our model is here now, and grid lines can be seen in this file format. However, you can see that the system colors don't appear in the ducts. So this is the NWC file. So the other one which you're going to pull in is the DWFX file. So you can see that as you pull the DWFX file inside, it actually still creates an NWC Navisworks file to open it. So let's go to our view. Let's press on this to make it visible. So now with this we can see that the system colors remain. For example, the supply ducts are blue and the return are in magenta, so that can be helpful when you're studying systems. However, this doesn't show the grid lines in this model. So these are the two methods which you can convert your Revit to Navisworks. Depends on the situation, either one will work better for you.